Behold, this is the elevator at the Astoira condominium here in Ocean City, Maryland. Dan Allen filmed this elevator before. And yep, it's an Otis Series 1. I cannot believe they have an Otis Series 1 in this one. In this area. I'm thinking of you. Here it comes. I sure like this lane here. Let's go up to 4. Or let me look outside. One, 2, 3, and here are 4. Let's go look outside. Yep, no Brayley's here, but there's your pool area. And look at the view. Yep, over there is the Aloft Hotel, where they had a staff elevator in here and a passenger elevators there. But unfortunately, for employees only, so filming it was not that difficult. Not that difficult, you say, eh? Very funny, Orbot, very funny. Here, a cab, you. Nice cab. I love it. Let's go back to G. Stickers right there. Where's your phone button? That's these 3,500 pounds. 3, 2, 1, and that's you. So there, where's your phone button? Yep, they're part of that. Let's watch close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.